Good afternoon, students. Again, welcome back to my channel, City. So today we had our IELTS test, and we already done the prediction video, and it's very happy to announce that our prediction gone through. So this video is regarding today's IELTS test complete review, that also about the morning slot. So regarding 14th October 2021 IELTS test review of morning slot. In some part of India only they conducted the morning slot. Anyway, we'll see in detail starting from the listening module. In part 1, they got fill up type of question. It was one word and or a number. It was a form completion and the audio was related to tourist travel inquiry. So this part 1 was easy. Moving on to part 2, they got the questions like map completion that was related to a center stadium, and they got the question type selection of letters along with that. It was related to the facilities inside the stadium. So this part 2 was easy to moderate level. Regarding part 3, they got the question type large MCQs along with match the information type of question with the option, and the audio was related to academic discussion between some students about the thesis presentation. So this part 3 was little bit tricky because of fast audio. And regarding the last part, they got fill up type of question that was one word only, and it was a monologue about flora and fauna. So as I mentioned before, they find a little bit fast audio in part 3 and 4. That's why the complete listening section was in easy to moderate level. So I will publish the answers as soon as possible. Then regarding the reading module, in passage 1, the heading was Evolution of the Human Mind, and this was a new passage, and they got the questions like true, false, not given type of question and fill up type of question. That was one word only, not completion. So this passage was a little bit tricky. Regarding this passage too, it was a repeated passage and the heading was electric dreams, and the question category was match the information type of question that was in the form of list of heading and MCQs along with 4 options and fill up type of question, and the word limit was no more than 3 words. We already published this particular passage in our reading challenge, so you can just find out that in our Facebook page. Now we covered almost 21 days and we published this particular passage by day 3, I think so. So you can just check it out. And regarding this passage 3, the heading was designed to last, and they got the questions like MCQs along with 4 options, then summary completion along with the options in a box, and yes no not given type of question. This passage was easy to moderate level. Overall we can set it as in moderate level only. So answers I will publish as soon as possible. Then moving on to the writing module, same like we predicted, they got pie charts, and here you can see the question. The chart below show the proportion of the energy produced from different sources in a country between 1985 and 2003. So they mentioned 6 different sources of energy in 2 different years. So you can just divide your body paragraph based on the chart, or else you can just divide based on the parameter also. That means based on the resources. So here you can see the model answer. You can just pause the video and go through the models, or else you can just download that from our community tab, and I will publish that in my Facebook page too along with the question and answer. Now we'll see regarding this task too. Same like we predicted, it was an outweigh type of question. So here you can see the question. Demand for gas and oil is increasing, and so finding new resources in remote and untouched areas is a necessity. Do the advantages of this outweigh its disadvantages? So it's coming under outweigh type of question as we mentioned. So here you need to write about advantages in 2 different body paragraph and disadvantages in single body paragraph, or vice versa. That means if you think the advantages are more, means you need to write that in 2 different body paragraph. If you are thinking the disadvantages is more, means you need to arrange like that, and you need to write that in your thesis statement also. So I will show you the model answer. Before that, we already published this particular question in our prediction list for 14th October 2021. So here you can see that under the topic natural resources, we mentioned this particular question. I hope you all attended well. Now you can just go through the model answer, then you will get some idea regarding how to arrange the body paragraph, about what all things you can write under advantages and also disadvantages. So that's all about the essay topic. So all the very best for your results. And regarding the listening and reading answers, I will publish as soon as possible, and you will get the reading passages from our Facebook page. I will just publish that there. So stay tuned and God bless you all.